हेलो नमस्ते ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ कैसे छो ठीक छो நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா आप कैसे हो flashing beautiful smiles on your face happy smiling yes this is Flying Skies One welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offer thank you viewers and subscribers for all your support thank you so much this video is on Myntra shopping. First I'll show you the unboxing video and later I'll explain how I placed my first order. This is how the packing was. I am not satisfied with the packing. This is men's sports sandals, Sparx. As you see in the picture, they are blue in color. The quality is good. They're available in all sizes, 5 to 10. This is UK size. Are they looking good? Let me know in the comment section. If any of you are watching my video for the first time and are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thanks a lot. The sole material is made of rubber. It's red in color, as you see in the picture. I wish I had it as a sandal color. Myntra's order delivery is always late. It takes 15 to 20 days after you place your order. Returns and replacements are not hassle-free. I'll speak on this point in the latter part of my video. Because the upper sole is made of lycra and PU material, therefore it comes with a cushion bed and it has got a velcro closure as you see in the picture. So you can fasten your sandals according to your comfortability. These are comfortable, lightweight, durable, stylish, trendy. You can pair up with your casual wear. These sandals go well on your western outfits as well. It completes the look. And here a bag is given, a paper bag is given by Sparx. Whenever you go for a stall, you carry this bag along with you, wearing the sandals to have a funky look, right? These Sparx sandals are available in two colors. One is black and one is gray. Now I'll show you how you can place your first order on Myntra by using Myntra coupon. You download the app and here the screen appears as login. So you just enter your mobile number, give your details and address. After you log in, this is the information you'll have right on the home page as flat 300 plus free shipping on your first order, and the coupon code also will be given over there. Now select the products whichever you want. Whenever you go to a particular product, you will be given the information of the coupon code discount as shown in the picture. Here itself you can know how much coupon discount you'll be getting on your first order. The minimum order value is $15.99 for the coupon to be applicable on your first order, and free delivery is available. Now you add to cart the products you want to order. I have added to cart two pairs of Sparx sandals, men Sparx sandals, and here you can click on apply coupon. You have two coupons over there, Myntra 250 and Myntra 300. These are applicable according to the cart value you have. If you have cart value of 2,300, that is Myntra 300 is applicable. Your screen looks like this after you apply the coupon. Now you can place your order by choosing any of the online payment methods, or else you can go for cash on delivery. That's it, done. Your order is placed, but you have to wait for late delivery from Myntra. It takes a minimum 15 to 20 days after you place your order. After your product is delivered home and you find something defective with the product, you can go for return or replacement of the product within 30 days of time. But take heed to your product's tag. Don't lose them. If you lose them, your returns or the replacements would be rejected. Once I got a wrong product delivered home from Myntra, I wanted to go for return. So I placed a return request, but it was not accepted because the tag of that product is missing. But the story is initially when the product was delivered home, I didn't see any tag attached to it. So I have to speak to customer care executive. I had to follow up for 3 months to have my refund. Though the product's quality of Myntra is good, but the returns and replacements are not easy or user friendly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Keep smiling.